Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nail guns that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT 18-gauge brad nailer kit. A good nail gun should be easy to use, long-lasting, and drive a nail quickly and cleanly without any issues. To do this, the nail gun needs to have a tough build and options you can customize while working. The DEWALT brad nail kit checks all these boxes, making it our top pick. The sturdy construction means this tool is going to last, while the rubber grip helps absorb shock and keep your hands comfortable, even during a long work session. This is a lightweight nail gun, the lightest on our list, with a sequential style trigger and rear exhaust vent that keeps dust and small particles away from you. This brad nailer runs off of a separate air compressor, hose, and uses 18-gauge nails ranging from 5/8 to 2 inches in length. It has a 100 nail working capacity and a lot of options to customize how you use the tool. You can control the nail depth with a simple, tool-free adjustment. Moving on, at number 4, we have the NuMatic brad nailer. Many budget nail guns skimp on quality, but the affordable NuMatic brad nailer is strong enough to tackle most common DIY tasks with ease. Designed to fire 18-gauge brads, 3/8 to 2 inches in length, this nail gun is a good starter or secondary gun if you are looking to expand your tool collection. This nail gun works with any air compressor with a 1/4-inch NPT fitting. It's capable of operating anywhere between 60 to 115 psi, ensuring you have enough power to drive a nail down into tough materials. For additional comfort, the gun includes a rubber grip built right into the handle. The rubber absorbs the shock that courses up the nail gun with each shot, which can make using it a more comfortable experience. For the price, it's hard to beat this sturdy and useful nail gun, which is well suited to many common projects around the house or yard. At number 3, we have the Bostitch BTF Thick Kit Air Compressor. While most pneumatic nail guns will work with any air compressor, it can be easier on the wallet if everything comes together in one package. A combo kit like this option from Bostitch includes everything you need to get going with your fastening project. This kit includes 3 nail guns, an 18-gauge brad nailer, a 16-gauge finish nailer, and a 3/8-inch crown stapler, along with an air compressor and tank. That means you'll be set to tackle all manner of DIY projects, including light carpentry, installation of molding, furniture repair, and many other fastening tasks. The air supply starts with a 150 max PSI 6-gallon tank. The air compressor pumps at a constant 100 PSI. That means you should have enough power to drive nails and staples into most hard surfaces. Dial back the air pressure on the pump for less force when working with softer materials. At number 2, we have the Bostitch Pneumatic Framing Nailer. A top-notch, professional-level framing nailer will give you more options and flexibility while standing up to the typical abuse larger projects can offer. The Bostitch Pneumatic Framing nail gun shoots 1/2-inch to 3/2-inch framing nails through just about any type of wood and even most metals thanks to its 2 quick-change nose pieces for wood or metal connectors. Push-button depth guide makes setting the desired depth easy as you move around. Connected to the air compressor of your choice, the gun has a working range of up to 120 psi. At max, the gun can deliver up to 1,150 inch-pounds of force using a 60-nail magazine. That might be more power than you need for smaller DIY projects, but it's just what's needed for major projects like framing a home addition or building a large deck. This nailer doesn't come with a case, and it's a bit heavy for a tool that uses an air compressor. Most others are under 3 pounds, but it's significantly lighter than most battery-operated models. And finally, at number 1, we have the NuMax Pneumatic 2-in-1 brad nailer. The NuMax 2-in-1 brad nailer is proof that some budget options don't skip out on features usually found only on far more expensive tools. One common feature many expensive nail guns offer is the ability to use multiple types of nails and brads. For a fraction of the cost, this gun gives you similar flexibility, using either common 2-inch 18-gauge or 5 or 8-inch narrow staples. This is a great choice for DIY projects such as installing chair rails, crown molding, decorative trim, baseboards, or window casings. Another professional feature this gun includes is a no-mar tip. When working on delicate surfaces, this tip prevents the gun from digging in and doing major damage. That's a major plus when nailing into fragile materials such as decorative trims, baseboards, and various types of molding. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.